Hey everyone, my name is Anne and in this video I am going to teach you how to create this golden cut crease. So let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids, and I'm using the Essence Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. And I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelid, which is gonna make sure that my eyeshadow is gonna stay flawless all day. It's gonna make sure that the redness from the eyelid is removed, and it's gonna intensify the shades that I'm gonna use today. So right now I'm taking some sticky tape and I'm gonna apply this at the outer end of my eyelid. What this is gonna do is gonna make sure that your eye look is gonna look really sharp at the end result. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take the Essence Daily Dose of Energy eyeshadow palette, and you wanna pick the lightest color in the palette and apply it underneath the highest point of your eyebrow to make it a little bit lighter. Next, I'm taking the Essence The Brown Edition eyeshadow palette, which is a really nice palette to use on its own, but also to use in combination with a other palette like I'm doing in today's video. I'm gonna use a mixture of those two brown shades, and I'm gonna blend this in my crease area. This is gonna be the base for all the other eyeshadows I'm gonna blend in my crease, and it's just gonna make my crease brown and just warm it up a bit. Then next, taking that same palette, but now I'm using the darkest brown shade to darken it up even more. So I'm taking a blending brush, which is slightly tinier, and blending this in my crease. Then now I'm taking this single eyeshadow in the shade 04, which is a matte black shade. I'm gonna use this for the crease as well, using an even tinier brush, focusing straight in the crease area and blending my brush back and forth. This is gonna make the crease even more dark. Then now for the next step, to clean up the eyelid and cut the crease, I'm gonna use the Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. I'm gonna use this with a flat brush and create that sharp line in the crease. After creating the shape, I'm also gonna cover up the whole eyelid using that same concealer. So now, as you can see, the eyelid is nicely covered in concealer. So I'm gonna go back in with the Essence Daily Dose of Energy eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take the shade in the middle, which is a gorgeous golden color. I'm gonna use a flat brush and apply this all over the eyelid where I just applied the concealer. This is a very gorgeous golden color with a sparkly shimmer. For the next step, I'm going back in with the single eyeshadow in the shade 04 Soul, and I'm gonna create a line right underneath the crease line, keeping a little bit space in between, and this is gonna create a double cut crease effect. I'm not gonna drag this line all the way to the inner corner of the eye. I'm kind of going to do like 1 centimeter, like something like that, and I'm gonna really softly blend this towards the more like the middle center of the crease. And then with a blending brush, I'm also going to blend some black eyeshadow right underneath that, and you want to make sure you don't pick up any extra product on your brush when you blend it towards the middle part of your eyelid. This way the black is kind of going to fade into the golden eyeshadow, which is already applied on the eyelid. Then now for the next step, it's time to remove the sticky tape, and you can see after removing it how sharp that line is. So now I'm gonna apply a little bit of eyeliner above the lash line. I'm taking the Essence 24-Hour Ink Liner in Intense Black. This one has a really precise and tiny applicator, which makes it really easy to use. Then I'm taking the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Black Fever. I'm gonna apply this all the way in my waterline, also underneath my upper lashes, which is easier to do when you close your eyes, but this is gonna make it look extra black. Then once again, I'm going in with the single eyeshadow in the shade Soul and use this for the lower lash line. I'm pressing the black eyeshadow right underneath the lower lash line and also blending this to make my lower lash line look really nice and smoky. Now it's time to curl the lashes, and I'm using this lash curler from Essence. And for my mascara, I'm taking the Essence Maximum Definition Volume Mascara, which is my personal favorite. So I'm gonna apply this on the upper lashes and on the lower lashes. Then for my lashes, I'm taking the Essence False Lashes in the style OMG. Such beautiful lashes. So I'm gonna apply the lash band in the middle of the eyelid above the lash line, and then I'm gonna press the outer portion against the eyelid first, holding it for a few seconds, and then pressing the inner corner of the lash bands also against my skin. Then here you can see the end result with only the mascara on, and then here you can see the finished result with the fake lashes. I really hope you all like how this eye look turned out. Let us know if you are gonna try it out as well, and hopefully we will see you in the next video.